1378, taxi by Victor Luke.
Victor Luke, 1378. On a tower, my 8 right, on a flight.
On a point 8 right, about 2365. Papa, and then airport 5, Southwest 912.
Level 1376, the Papa cross runway 9 left, run Lima, point 75. Papa cross runway 9 join, ground point 75, heavy traffic, 3 miles. That's the approach at crossway left, give way to 1717 from the left, taxi left, 8 right.
Okay, clear to cross, 8 left at hotel, hold short at 8 right, give way to the 717, minute 7 point way.
That's my 338, give way to 777.
Give way to Featherton Hotel, hold point 30. 777 west, down 25, 32, 7 point.
So 85 million pound with 1708, runway 8 left, for land. That was 2490, exit effectively Bravo 11, taxi 6.
Bravo 11, exit, schedule.
Welcome on board FINNAIR. Before departure, we would like to focus on safety. Please follow this video closely, as we will be demonstrating the safety features of our aircraft. Smartphones and other handheld electronic devices may be used from gate to landing in flight mode and in normal mode after landing. All other electronic devices, including laptops, must be switched off and stowed for takeoff and landing. Make sure that your armrest is in the down position and the window shade is open. Please raise your seat back to the upright position and stow your table. Your safety belt is fastened by inserting the metal end into the buckle like this. Tighten the belt firmly. To open your belt, lift the metal buckle. Your safety belt must be fastened during takeoff, landing, and at all times during the flight when the safety belt sign is on. We recommend that you keep your safety belt fastened throughout the flight, as unexpected turbulence may occur at any time. For your own safety, we kindly ask you to avoid spending excess time in the aisles and exit areas during the flight. You must comply with all posted placards and lighted signs in the cabin. All our flights are non-smoking, and under aviation law, smoking is forbidden in the lavatories. This also applies to electronic cigarettes. Your cabin crew has been trained to ensure your safety on board. You must always follow the instructions given by the crew. If the cabin pressure drops, the oxygen masks will automatically appear above your head. Grab the nearest mask or the red pull flag, pull down sharply and put the mask on as shown. The bag may not inflate even though oxygen is flowing. Always put your own mask on first, then you may help others. If you are seated in business class, your life jacket is located in a compartment underneath your seat. In economy class, your life jacket is in a pouch under your seat. Put the jacket over your head, fasten the buckle in front, and tighten the strap. Inflate the life jacket only when you leave the aircraft. This aircraft has 8 emergency exits, which are all marked with green and white exit signs. All exits are equipped with slide rafts. Escape lights at floor level lead to these exits. Your cabin crew will now point out the exits nearest to you. Please pay close attention to the location of your nearest exit, bearing in mind that it may be behind you. You must adopt the emergency position when instructed to do so. It is important to bend forward and downwards and as low as possible. In case of an emergency, it is also important to leave all hand luggage in the aircraft. The safety features of this aircraft may also be found in the safety card located in the seat pocket. Please review the important information on the safety card before takeoff. If you have any questions, please ask your cabin crew. Thank you for choosing FINNAIR and enjoy your flight.
takeoff, Southwest 5614. 7503, Atlanta Tower, runway 8 right, line up and wait. 8 right, line up, wait, open.
Left on November behind Southwest.
Yeah, we're going to 3 cross, right? That's on November.
Delta 1378, taxi by Victor Loop.
Take a loop, Delta 1378. Atlanta Tower, runway 8 right, line up and wait.
Line up, wait, 8 right, about 2365.
Papa, and then airport to 5, Southwest 94.
Delta 1376 to Papa cross runway 9 left, going Lima .75.
Papa cross, going ground 75,
FedEx 724, heavy traffic 3 miles. At the approach end, cross runway 8 left, give way to 1717 from the left, taxi runway 8 right.
Okay, cleared to cross 8 left at hotel, hold short at 8 right, give way to the 717, FedEx 724 heavy.
Delta 2338, give way to FedEx at hotel.
Give way to FedEx at hotel, Delta 2338.
FedEx 724, heavy change to tower frequency 125.32.
2532, FedEx 724.
No, 85 heavy power, 11708, runway 8 left, clear to land. That was 4690, exit at taxiway Bravo 11, taxi Victor Loop.
Bravo 11, Victor Loop, gas 4690, good day.
1000. 500. 400. Approaching minimums. 300 minimums.